Alright, it's Andrew C here. I'm all about keeping it simple and giving you practical info that you can use tomorrow. In order that you get passive fit of your final multiple implant prosthesis, you need to make sure that you have an accurate implant impression. The easiest way to do this is to splint your open tray impression copings together prior to taking your impression. The most common material used to splint impression copings together is auto-polymerizing acrylic resin. In order to get that acrylic resin on without making a complete mess, we need to apply it to something that is stable. You could use rigid ortho wire, or you could just use something that every dentist has, and that is floss. In this video, you'll see how I tie the floss around the impression copings. You also see how I place the auto-polymerizing resin onto the floss. Okay, so let's get right into this video. The impression copings are in place and a radiograph has been taken to confirm the seating, and I'll let the video explain the rest. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video and if you want to stay up to date with all my latest videos, hit that like and subscribe button now. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.